Everyone, this is Lydia from DJ Pocky. In this video, I'm gonna show you tips or skincare routine for men because this was requested by people in the comment section a lot. If you haven't already watched my 10 beauty tips video, please also check that out because I think that's also applicable to both men and women. Beauty tips for men. Number one, I have already mentioned this in the 10 beauty tips, but I'm gonna mention it again because it's really important. Get lots of sleep, at least 7 or 8 hours a day. You'll feel energized and your energy is also recharged. Second, drink lots of water. It's not just a myth, guys. You have to drink at least 1 liter of water daily to actually feel healthy and feel good about yourself. Number three, always wash your face before and after going to bed with cleanser. And you have to start from the middle of your nose and go in circular motion and make sure you wash off all that dirt before you go to bed and after you wake up before you actually go out. This is really important. It's also mentioned in the 10 beauty tips video before. Number four, always shave. Always keep it neat and clean. Always be well presented because that's very important, and also remember to use only sharp razors. Change your razors every month if you shave every day, and throw away old and dull ones, especially the rusted ones. Number five, always brush your teeth at least before and after going to bed. Also used by BTS V Kim Taeyong. Use a toothbrush sanitizer to keep your toothbrush clean. So basically there's a UV light inside the toothbrush sanitizer, and what it does is cleans any germs or bacteria, and when you close it the lights turn on and then it will turn off automatically by itself in 5 minutes. This is sold everywhere in South Korea and Japan and Singapore, but if you're outside of those countries you can always buy them online. 6. Always use sunscreens when you're going outside, especially during the day, and do this right after washing your face so that the sunscreens absorb fully. Choose SPF 50 plus if you can, and ones that contain PA+++ because that's really good. And remember to only use it with your clean hands. 7. Speaking of cleaning your hands, please also wash your hands regularly when you just arrive home, after using the toilet, before and after cooking and eating. Also, please spend some time when washing your hands. Don't just wet your hands and soap and then rinse it. Spend at least 10 to 15 seconds to thoroughly rub the soap all over your hands and before actually rinsing it. Number 8, wash your hair regularly. Yes, we don't want to build up any dirt, oil and sebums there. Brings us to number 9, to change and wash your pillow covers every week and bed sheet every month. It's all about hygiene so that you don't get pimples. Number 10, try not to sit or sleep on your bed wearing the clothes that you have already worn outside. You have to change your clothes first, and if you can, wash up first so that all the germs and bacteria that you carry with you when you were outside is not accumulated in your bed where you spend most time sleeping or resting. This will make your skin really clean and really good as well. Number 11, for a completely flawless looking face, you can cover up any scars or unwanted marks using Shot CC Cushion as recommended by G-Dragon and endorsed by him. SPF 50 plus and PA+++. Basically it's like a foundation, but this is also for guys. So you just use the cushion that comes with it, some, and then apply it onto your face, and then voila, you're ready to go. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like and subscribe. Bye.